Yo guys, welcome back to another video. Someone is right here. So it's officially been the first week of us being in America, and honestly it's been really nice. As you know, I just got this new GoPro Hero 10. It's been really nice. Right now we're actually inside the car because today's vlog we're actually gonna meet Timbala and Tequila, which are friends of my mom and dad. So we're gonna go meet them, see what's up. Right now they're in the bank because they have some business. Sonam, you can see, is right there. You can see the outside view, you know, already. You can see, yeah, I wanted to record an intro at our house, but I didn't have time, so I just did an intro right now. So yeah, so tomorrow I'm actually gonna be going to a friend's house. Not a friend's house, we're gonna be going to the gym with a friend, so be excited for that. But yeah, for right now, this is the intro, and we're actually gonna be going with Timbala and Tequila. So when my parents come back, I'll do a video, and then I'll see you guys at the time lapse. Alright guys, you can see that's the bank there right now, right there. You can see the cars, everything. So Sonam and I are just waiting for them to come. They should be here soon, so when they come, I'll let you guys know. So yeah, see you guys then. Alright guys, so after waiting for around 30 minutes, they finally came back. I'll see, this is the time lapse now. See you guys later.
So I just wanted to say, I appreciate and love all of you, and I believe in you all. Do not let your depression make you. Do not let your body define your soul. Let your soul define your body.
Alright guys, so actually the other bank, we waited for a long time, but they didn't let us do the deposit, so we're gonna go to another bank right now. We'll see you guys there. Alright guys, so you can see my mom and dad, they're leaving over there back into the bank. So this is the new bank. I know it's kind of bright, but this is like the new bank right here. So yeah, we're waiting because the last bank didn't work, so we're gonna go on this bank, see how that works out. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. It's like 1 o'clock right now, so I'll either see you guys later when we're moving, or when we're at Timbala and Tequila's. So yeah, we'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so Sonam is here. We actually just went, we got back from the other bank. The other bank was actually too busy, so Bala and us, we couldn't do anything there, so they left like after 10 minutes. Right now Bala is at Panera, which is right over there. You can see the sign, Panera Bread. So he's right over there. He's getting a Frontega chicken sandwich because he is hungry. And so yeah, we're probably gonna get the bank situation fixed. We're probably gonna go to another bank right now after this, get this situation fixed, and when we're done, we're gonna go to lunch with Timbala and stuff. So actually right now we'll see you guys when we're getting lunch with Timbala, or when we're about to head over there. So yeah, see you guys there. Alright guys, we're at the next bank here. This is the next bank. Bala's currently outside in the bank. He's currently outside in the bank, and actually Timbala and we're all gonna actually
meet up here, I think.
Yeah, so Timbala says Timbala and everyone like that, they actually said we're gonna instead of us going to the restaurant, they're gonna come to us right now in the bank. We're gonna meet them and then go to a Korean barbecue restaurant possibly. So yeah, I'll see you guys when we're meeting them in this lot right here that I just showed you guys right here. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, Timbala and Tequila's cars right there. They're all right there, so we'll see you guys when we meet them. Tashi Dile Tequila.
Welcome back.
Thank you. This is their car, very nice car. Tashi Dile Timbala.
YouTuber. Tashi Dile. Wow.
We've been watching your YouTube video.
Yeah, we keep watching, man.
Alright guys, Timbala and them also left to go into the bank right there. So they have some business to do in there too. We're just hanging out over here. Don't know what we're gonna do next, but I will definitely record when when something interesting happens. So yeah, I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, you can see my mom and dad. We're back here again. I don't know if you guys can see the Bank of America sign right there. Of course with Timbala and Digila, they're like here somewhere. But anyways, we're probably gonna stay here for like a little bit more because we booked an appointment at like 3. Alright guys, we're here. I slept a little bit, 20-minute drive, 8 miles from the other one. That's the Korean barbecue. I don't know if they allow recording, but if they do, I'll record some in there. Some of is right here. We're going with Timbala and everyone, so yeah. We'll either see you guys inside or when we're done. Alright, we're getting off. That's the restaurant. Alright guys, so it's all you can eat membership. We're waiting for our food now. Alright guys, Sonam, let me see. You got the pork, came in like 2 minutes. The second saw you can see is right there. So yeah, I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, I have the orange juice, lemonade, beer, whatever, orange juice. We just got a Hawaiian, regular, pork belly, and then beef. I'll show you guys the time lapse of us eating now. Alright guys, we're gonna start eating. This food is really good. $26.7 for a 2-hour limit, or whatever you can eat, whatever you can order right here. And then there's a premium one for 23. Yeah, alright, we'll see you guys when we're done. Oh my god, I'm full guys. I'm so full right now. Look at the grill.
I know.
Alright, we'll see you guys when we're done. Alright, we're leaving now. I'll see you guys outside. Okay, so you're done. Okay, how was the restaurant, guys?
Long time we gathering table.
It was good, but the thing is, it made us full so fast, and I don't know. I went to the bathroom, took a big poo, bro, big poo, and then after that, I went back and just chilled. But yeah, the food is good. It just makes you full real quick, and then you gotta take a big number 2. So that's the only problem. But food is great. Don't know what we're gonna do next, but I'll let you guys know. Also, tell me, how's the new GoPro going, guys? You like it better than the old one? Anyways, see you guys later. Alright guys, so Sonam actually went to Timbala and Digila's car. He's gonna be riding there. Me, Bala, and Amma are all alone here. We're gonna be riding over here. You can see our car. They have an Audi. I'll show you guys later. I'll show you guys when we're at their house, where we're going. I'll show you guys their car, and yeah, see you guys there. I don't know if you guys can see it, but that right there is Timbala and Digila's car. This one is in there. Alright, we're here. I'll see you guys when we're with Sonam and them. Alright guys, going to Timbala and Digila's house. You can see Pala's right there because of the sun, but Sonam and everyone's coming over there. This is their apartment complex kind of over here. And so we're walking over here right now. Alright. This is Tebala and Digila's dream car, Audi.
What's a Gumbo's dream car? Tesla.
It's a Corvette.
Oh, Corvette.
Alright, so we're at their house. I'll see you guys when we reach up to their apartment. Came from there, headed over there. Very clean and nice house. This is their home. Pala's playing the Daniel. One of my vlogs playing in their TV. Timbala's right here. Ama's right there. Sonam is right here chilling.
I'm just playing Warriors.
Very nice balcony.
Sonam Gresser.
Nganjo, Nganjogi.
Oh, no, Kaware.
Pogara.
Pogara Drake.
Nganjo Pogarala.
Oh, man.
So here you can see me on the GoPro. It's the prayer room. And the bathroom right here. Alright, that's it. I'll see you guys later.
Hello guys. So now I'm What are you doing? Hola, estamos calling.
Okay, we're leaving now, guys, from Timbala. It's about 9 o'clock. We stayed here for a few hours.
Can you walk that direction?
They're gonna walk with us to our car, but anyways, we'll see you guys at our car. Thank you so much.
Oh, no problem. You need a...
Hey guys, you can see it's nighttime.
We can lock the door. Come on, lock the door.
You can see my shadow recording, but alright, we'll see you guys
can make a lot of money.
see you guys later. Maso, Timbala Digla. Maso, take care. Bye.
Good to see you guys. Good to see you. No, when are we gonna meet again?
Huh?
When are we gonna meet again? Like 1 week? 2 weeks? Okay.
2 weeks.
Okay, bye. Okay.
Bye. Okay, we're heading to our car right there. I'll show you guys a time lapse of us getting home. See, no one on the street. Alright, see you guys. Alright guys, we're here at our home. I'll see you guys in our house. Alright guys, so we made it back home. Right here. Anyways, so that's the end of the video. Tomorrow I'm gonna get a new case for the GoPro mic, a stick and everything. So we're also gonna be going with Jonas tomorrow to the gym. They don't allow recording in the gym, but you know, I'll see how it goes. So yeah, so that's the end of the vlog. See you guys later, and yeah, see you guys tomorrow.